Ito yung MR062 na visiting chair with wheels. So yung kanina MR062A and then C, ito naman yung B with wheels visiting chair. Madam, ito naman yung 2214. Ito yung bagong design na dumating. Tapos ito yung visiting chair niya. Visiting chair without wheels. Tapos ito yung visiting chair with wheels. Yeah, this one sir, this is for boss, this is the original one and this one is delivery note and this one is our copy. So when they deliver this one, they show it to the who's receiver there for delivery.
Subscribe! Sana all!
So
Subscribe!
this one is okay, no problem. And this one is already attached from this one, from here, attached. Bro, I need the details because after 1 o'clock we need to send this from our warehouse. Sir, this is the one you take. Okay, and the side table I don't have, but only this one is the cabinet. Okay, so 2-door cabinet. So this color that you are taking before. The shelves, for the wide shelves, only like this we have. 2-door cabinet, low, medium, then the high one, second one medium, and then the one small one. And this one new coming design like this, and also like this. So only this one that we have, madam, white color. Side table I don't have in white.
Subscribe!
Now the all material are coming without this cover. Why بقى? Tell me
Yeah, this one can
why? All that cover not coming. And the car for cutter is already here. Are you joking with me يعني? I don't know.
Partition is 4 and then this one is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter like this. 3 centimeter. Only this one and this one and this one is 5 centimeter. And then the middle one, this one is coming 4 centimeter.